happy islander, come see my land so fine. We got smiles so white that'll brighten the sunshine. Catanduanes, my home, deep culture roots so strong. Join in a laughter dance to our island song. Great food that fills your soul, made with love and spice. From ocean's bounty to fields rice so nice. Every meal's a feast, every bite's paradise. Come taste our flavors, leave your troubles behind. On my happy island world, don't move too fast. Every wave a promise, memories sure to last. Happy people greet you with hearts open wide. In Catanduanes, come feel the joy.